Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm going to be working on some items that I already have in my home. These two fluted wooden pieces are the bases to my living room coffee table. Some years ago, I'd painted them purple, and although I still love purple, I needed to neutralize this color because I like to switch my decor up seasonally. This purple I felt was clashing with some of the other colors in my living room. So I'm giving the base to the coffee table as well as this vase that is also from my living room 3 coats of Rust-Oleum slate gray spray paint. Today I'm participating in the Thriftflip Roadtrip, hosted by Our Green Acres and the Crafting Cousins. Links to both their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. I did pick up from the thrift store these cute little topiaries, so I'm giving them 1 coat of paint as well, and then I'm going to come back in with some faux painting techniques. I must apologize to you for my camera angle right here. I had to cut most of this footage because you couldn't really see what I was doing. But here is the final result, and I love the way it came out, and I hope you do too. For my next project, I also picked up from the thrift store this lovely bowl of wooden fruit. And I love it in the natural wood tone. I didn't want to paint it. So I gave it a good cleaning and then came back with some Old English furniture polish to shine them up. And I think they came out lovely and look great just the way they are. For my third and final project, I have this old lantern that I keep outside during the warmer months. And I've had it for quite some time, and honey, it has seen better days. The wood on the bottom is all but falling apart. So I'm mixing up a little brown paint. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using some orange and black, mixing that together and making a very watery paint mixture, which I'm going to use as a stain on the wood. I gave it a couple of coats of this stain, and then I repainted the top black with a couple of coats of black paint and sealed my whole project. Placed a new wooden bottom on it, put the candle back in, and honey, another project done. I hope you've seen today how you can update your existing decor with a little paint to give it a fresh new look, as well as thrift store pieces. Please stop by our host channels and show them some love. And visit the playlist, which is linked down in my description box below, to see what all of these talented creators are doing with their thrifted pieces. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Until next time.